Alright guys, this is how you remove and install the 2010 to 2015 Audi R8 Android head units. First you need 4 of these keys. Alright, you can insert them into these slots right here. Like this. You're going to push them all down. Okay, they're going to lock in, and then you just pull it towards you and the head unit will come out. Okay. Once the head unit is removed, you want to unplug the main harness, which is in the back right here. You want to unplug the antenna harness, and there's a blue plug in here, the GPS harness. Now, once you followed my other video and you plugged in all the other harnesses, what you do is you take the main harness, you plug it into the main plug, you're going to connect it. You need the antenna adapter, which is going to plug into your factory antenna. Alright, the last wire, one of the last wires, this is your GPS wire. I don't have the adapter yet for it, but it will allow you to use your factory GPS on the upgraded radio. As far as the wiring goes, make sure on these 2 connectors that come, that you connect the RR with RR out, the RL with the RL out, the FL out with the FL out, and then the last one is FR out with the FR out. Then we also got the big camera adapter wire, which you're going to plug into the camera wire. It's like this, and you're going to run this one wire to the back behind the seats where your factory camera is. Once that's all plugged in, your radio is now installed. All you have to do is put it in and push it down. As I didn't run my wire, that's why it's not fully going in, but it locks in like this, and you just keep pushing it. Now let's test it. The radio is functioning.